Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to stop message requests on Facebook. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, cause we post content like this in our channel. So to get notified for our video, be sure to subscribe with notification on. So let's start today's video without any further ado. So first, open your Messenger app and then click on the top left corner beside chats. There is your Facebook profile picture. Click on it. Then scroll down and click on privacy, and on privacy click on message delivery, and on message delivery scroll down and click on others on Facebook. Click on others on Facebook and click on don't receive requests, and boom, that's how you don't receive a request on Facebook. It's that simple. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And yeah, if you want to receive message request again, you can just click on the message request again, and it's updating and it's updated. So it's that simple. So I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.